Greetings everyone, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. So this is the Action 6, and for some reason you want to remove the door where is the Type-C port. So if you want to attach maybe a third-party microphones, receivers, USB microphones, I'll show you in today's video how to remove this door. Or let's say for some reason you remove the door, but you don't know how to put the door back. I will show you how to do that. So first, let's open the door. So you have to press down and then go forward. So let's do that, down and forward. This is how you open the door. And now let's remove the actual door. So hold your Action 6 and then with two fingers just pull out. As you can see, this is out now. So let's say you want to record now maybe videos, you want to attach your receivers, microphones. After you finish with that, now you want to put the door back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So as you can see, we have two arrows. So we have one arrow that is up and right and one arrow just up. So you have to do two things. You have to push this up but hold, and then in the same time you have to pull this out. If you try to put the door back like this, you'll damage the door and you may damage the Action 6. Do not do that. There's a reason that I'll show you how to do that right. So I'll show you now. So pull up and then pull down from the back. As you can see, this is how the door should be. This bit needs to be out. I'll demonstrate again. So pull up, hold, and the same time on the back pull out. So I'll show you now. Up, out. And now grab the door like this, and then grab your Action 6, and you will hear like maybe a click. I'll show you now. As you can see, and you can hear probably the click. And now this is how you attach the door to your Action 6. And make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and let me know if this has worked for you.